Today, I'll show you how to organize Google Tasks so it actually supports your day instead of becoming one long stressful list. By the end, you'll know how to structure your lists, use dates and times in a smart way, and sort everything so your priorities are always clear. Let's start with the foundation, your lists. When you first open Google Tasks, it's tempting to throw everything into that default My Tasks list. But if you do that, it quickly becomes a messy catch-all where work projects, personal errands, and random ideas all blend together. Instead, think of Google Tasks as a set of separate buckets, each one tied to a specific part of your life. For most people, a dedicated work or projects list is a great starting point. This is where you keep your high-level professional deliverables, not every tiny action. Think in terms of outcomes like prepare presentation for Friday meeting or draft Q3 report. Keeping these grouped together helps you scan your work responsibilities at a glance without being distracted by personal items. Next, create a personal or admin list. This is where bills, appointments, and quick life errands live. Things like schedule dentist appointment, renew car registration, or pay electricity bill. The goal is to have one place where all those adulting tasks land, so you're not searching through work items to find them. A separate groceries or shopping list is also surprisingly powerful. Anytime you think of something you need to buy, drop it here. Because it's isolated from your main task lists, you can quickly pull it up when you're at the store or ordering online without wading through unrelated tasks. Finally, set up a someday or maybe list. This is your parking lot for ideas you're not ready to act on yet but don't want to lose. Things like take a photography class or research weekend trip. Moving those ideas out of your main lists keeps your daily view focused while still respecting your longer term interests. Once your lists are in place, the next key is using dates and times effectively. A task without a date is easy to forget, it just sits there waiting. When you add a date and time in Google Tasks, that item automatically appears at the top of your Google Calendar on that day. This is huge because it gives you a realistic picture of your schedule. If you see 5 tasks stacked on a day that's already full of meetings, you'll know you're overcommitted and can move a few items to another day. Take advantage of recurring tasks for anything that happens on a regular schedule. If you always pay rent on the first of the month or you submit a weekly report every Friday, set those as repeating tasks instead of creating them over and over. Once it's configured, Google Tasks will handle the reminders automatically and you free up mental space. The last piece is sorting. In any list, click the 3 dots in the top corner and choose how you want that list to behave. Sorting by date is perfect when deadlines matter most and you want the soonest due items to rise to the top, but sometimes you need more control. In those cases, switch to My Order. This lets you drag and drop tasks so you can create a simple top 3 or top 5 for the day. Even if you have a long list, you'll always know what to tackle first. Set up a few focused lists, add dates and times where it really matters, and use sorting to highlight your true priorities. With that structure in place, Google Tasks becomes a clear, calm command center for your day instead of just another to-do list.